Igneous rocks are one of the three rock types present in our Earth. The name igneous is adopted from the Latin word meaning fire. This name was given as they are formed under extreme heat and pressure from molten rock within the Earth's mantle. Silicates are the minerals that make up most of the rocks on the Earth, and they comprise of oxygen and silicon. It is within this group that rock-forming minerals such as quartz, mica and feldspar are found.
We're outside Liverpool World Museum and we're going to go inside, speak to some patrologists and find out some more about some igneous rocks.
Different igneous rocks here. We've got plutonic igneous rocks that form deep under the earth, and we've also got some extrusive igneous rocks as well. And you should be able to actually tell the difference of where they're formed just by actually looking at the texture of them, the sort of the grain size and the little grain boundaries where the actual crystals grow.
When molten magma travels towards the Earth's crust but stays below the surface, then it cools and solidifies slowly, and recognisable crystals are able to form within the rock. This is known as intrusive rock, and it's plutonic as it is called at depth.
An example of granite. I'll just hold this out for you. There you go. You can actually see the grains and the grain boundaries on most of the granite you can actually find. Now the reason you've got this such a lovely thick grain size on it like this is because of the way it's actually formed deep in the earth, and it's cooled down quite slowly. When you're talking in one of these plutons under the earth, you're talking about something like 2000 degrees centigrade, and the actual melting, the magma as you would call it, is actually cooling down quite slowly. It's being intruded from deeper in the earth up into a fairly shallow sort of depth of the earth, into the earth's crust. And the melt itself will start to crystallise and start to cool down. You'll actually get some of the crystals, these are feldspars, these pinkish ones, they'll start to crystallise out before any of the other melt itself, you see. So you get some nice big chunky crystals, what we call phenocrysts, that have all crystallised out. And then once that part of the melt, the chemistry has been depleted, you actually get the background mass of the crystals forming as well.
When magma breaks through the Earth's surface, it's called lava. It cools very rapidly and there is no time for crystals to form. This is called extrusive. Examples of this are obsidian and pumice. They are found worldwide, and scientists have also discovered them elsewhere in the solar system with meteorite chemical analysis.
So the rocks that I'm sitting on are formed from minor volcanic eruption, and the ripples that you can see and the patterns of the rocks are actually formed by waves from the water that was carrying it, and all of these are actually taken from rocks that are found in the Lake District.
They can be seen as tourist features such as Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, as well as being used commercially for worktops and shopfronts. So, let's have a roundup of what we've gone through.
All igneous rocks start out as molten magma like this. They then solidify as they travel further away from the Earth's mantle and up towards the Earth's crust.